We've done it on the asphalt, and we did it in the dirt, so why not get it done on the water? MSD left the competition in its wake with the introduction of our marine-certified 6M3L ignition box. It's a completely sealed, capacitive discharge ignition box that's also fully potted to withstand the demands of marine use. It offers some of the same great features that's made our digital 6AL box so popular, with a few extras for good measure. Our 6M3L can be triggered by magnetic pickup, amplifier, or points input, and it's designed for use on 4, 6, and 8-cylinder marine engines. It fires multiple sparks from idle all the way to 3,000 RPM, giving you a smoother idle and quicker throttle response to get your boat up and on plane fast. Once you're above 3,000 RPMs, a single spark will keep the fire lit for up to 20 degrees of crankshaft rotation. This ensures complete burning of the air-fuel mixture in each cylinder, all the way through 12,000 RPMs. Those hard-to-read dials are a thing of the past, and you'll never lose a rev limiter chip again. The 6M3L features 3 easy-to-use rotary dials that simplify setup. Use them to quickly select the number of cylinders and to increase or decrease the rev limiter setting. The convenient LED display shows your rev limiter setting, max RPM recall, cylinder selection, and the start retard function, which is adjustable from 0, 10, or 20 degree increments for quicker, easier starts, helping you to extend the life of your starter. For quick diagnostics, the LED display can be set to the live tach mode on V8s, and you can also display battery voltage with a simple turn of a knob. The 6M3L also incorporates a shift interrupt feature. This provides smoother shifting and can reduce the wear and tear in your boat's drive system. The single, sealed wiring connector provides trouble-free operation and makes the installation clean and easy. MSD's 6M3L offers protection from overheating, and the reverse polarity protection safeguards you from wiring mistakes, giving you the ultimate in reliability. Our 6M3L features low current draw and is so efficient, in fact, it can actually deliver full spark energy with as little as 6 volts from your battery. With more features and greater spark energy, the 6M3L is the performance upgrade that your boat needs. Thanks for watching. To learn more about our 6M3L marine ignition, visit our website at msdperformance.com.